Red-shouldered hawk can easily be identified by their distinctive red shoulders. As road soars overhead, also notice her beautiful plumage. This helps to act as camouflage as she maneuvers through her forest environment. Now watch out, ma'am, because you are in the splash zone. So let me just tell you that splash zone is definitely never catch us over here at Wildlife. You all might want to keep your mouth closed as the road soars overhead today. Hawks like roe are small and agile, which allows them to catch birds while in mid-flight. Now they'll also eat small rodents and reptiles, and they have even discovered what rodent burrows are. So they'll sit up in a tree near a rodent burrow and wait for them to enter and exit their home so they can snatch them up and prey. Now hawks like roe also have excellent eyesight. They have such eyesight that they can see a mouse from over a mile away.
Wow.
Rogue is a female hawk. The females are the larger gender in most raptor species. This allows the larger females to have more brute strength